Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your site is indexed in Google Search Console and address any critical crawl errors. Next, create concise FAQ-style content and add structured data using schema. Org so Google understands context. Once done, prioritize pages that directly answer queries with unique, authoritative information. These are the pages most likely surfaced in AI snippets. Make sure to use clear headings and short answer paragraphs so the AI can extract precise responses quickly. You now optimize the signal quality. Place a direct answer sentence near the top, then expand with supporting evidence, examples, and clear sources. Make sure to include timestamps, author bios, and case details to strengthen EEAT. Experience and expertise matter. Also, structure content with semantic headings, tables, and bullet lists so the AI reads it easily. Once these elements are in place, monitor performance and iterate based on which queries drive impressions and clicks. Finish by validating indexing and monitoring AI-driven impressions in Search Console and server logs. You want to see which queries surface your content. /B test different answer phrasings and schema placements to learn what the AI prefers and iterate fast. If your content isn't showing, check canonical tags, robots directives, and indexing status, then patch thin content issues. One troubleshooting tip: if answers vanish, re-verify structured data and submit the URL for reindexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.